in front of me is a OPPO A96, and today I will show you how we can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, or you can also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right over here where the pen is holding right now, and you want to simply push the pen in. The tray will come out just a little bit, enough for you to grab it, take it out, and realize that there was a SIM card in there. So I'm just gonna put it to the side. I have my own, and as you can see on the tray we have space for a dedicated SD card and two dedicated SIM trays. So you can occupy either one of the SIM trays, it doesn't really matter which one. You can obviously use both of them if you want to. There we go. So once you place your cards on the tray, you want to be careful. There is nothing really holding those cards in place, so they can just kind of like easily fall out. And you want to be specifically careful while inserting it back into your phone, just because sometimes when it like goes in there, the cards can jump up a little bit, get misplaced, and then if the tray doesn't really want to go in, don't force it. Chances are the card is kind of jamming, so you might want to just take it out and make sure that everything is still in place. Anyway, from there, once you carefully insert it back into your phone, the cards should start working immediately, as you can see right over here. So I quickly confirm my PIN, because I do have a SIM PIN set, and that unlocks my SIM card. And let's look at our notifications. It doesn't look like it's showing anything about the SD card, so I'm gonna quickly look in storage, and I can see it right over here. And as you can see, both of them are working just fine. And that is how you can insert your SIM and SD card. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.